Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that lots of my subscribers were asking me to make a live trading session, and that's why I'm doing this especially for you. As you see, I've selected already 4 currency pairs and what's left. I just want to set up some indicators, so let's go to this panel, and for this special strategy, which I'll be going on live, I have chosen 2 indicators, and this is Bollinger Bands indicator. Of course, I want to change the settings here, so I'll put 20 instead of 5 because the bigger our period is, the more wider Bollinger Bands corridor is, and that's exactly what we need for this strategy. Okay, let's go further. Next, I have to set up oscillators. For oscillators today, I choose MACD indicator. It's the most popular combination of indicators, Bollinger Bands plus MACD. It's a perfect strategy always. So I'll close this window and let's go further. What's left? You see 24 bucks on my account. You see the usual amount my traders start with is just 50 bucks. It's a little bit less, but it's also possible to overclock your deposit with 24 bucks at start. So let's begin. My investment right now is just 10 bucks. My time expiration is 1 minute. And I also working with 1 minute candle. So what's about this situation? A good, exciting, volatile market. I like this, so let's start. And I think it's a great entry point to make a trade here. So I'll be open here a deal up. Let's go. Well guys, risky deal. You see, all the time this candle was growing up in direction, and right now it's also grown, but at exactly the moment when my deal was over, the price was at this level approximately. And you see that the price changed between my entry point and my exit point was very small, but as I said, the price is growing here, and this dodgy candle also said me about this, and that's why I took this decision. So my strategy is absolutely working in 100 cases because I'm using these 2 indicators, and also I'm relying on candle patterns. By the way, if you want to know more about candlesticks patterns, just leave your comments and maybe I'll shoot one more video. And by the way, go to my YouTube videos and check my videos on candlestick patterns. I hope this video will be also useful for you and we're keeping with our trading. So let's go to my first currency pair, which is USA dollar and Bangladesh taka. Okay, you see American dollar is in 3 currency pairs, and let's work with this situation. It's an uptrend, really strong bullish market. I like trading on strong bullish movements because I know that here clearly the price will go in up direction, or most of the time, so I'll put here 30 bucks, and as you can notice in my previous trade, I put just 10 bucks instead of 20. It was just 50% of my wallet, and now it's bigger. So let's make a trade in down direction right now. Well, great result again. As you see, I doubled my sum. Well, always my grandma and granddaddy said me that I'm really good at doubling the sums, and yes, they were right. And you know my story. I lived in Montenegro, was born there. I wasn't a child with a silver spoon, but I did it. I made it, and now I'm really good at this, at doubling sums, and I want to share my knowledge with you, and let's go further. Second currency pair, what I can see here, let me check. The situation is also nice. You can see the Quotex gave me really cool quotations today, and I'm working with them. As you see, this downtrend right now, it has stopped a little bit, but again, this price is trading between these ranging periods and this Bollinger Bands corridor, and I want to trade here. Of course, I'll double my investment. It will be $60 instead of 30 because previously in the previous trade I made this money and I want to reinvest them. By the way, guys, can you notice that I'm doing all my trades in live? Yes, because you were asking me, and I'm doing this for you. Well, great entry point. I think I'll get my profit from here. That's why I'll be ready for trading down directions right now. Wow, great! I'm so glad to share this strategy with you because as you see, it's really working. Everything's so simple. You see Bollinger Bands indicator, you just set out this Bollinger Band indicator. Changed period of 5 for 20 and then just enter the deal. Trade by trade, you make your profit. How? Just look here, Bollinger Bands indicator and our price were above this corridor. That means that the price would definitely go inside in the next minute, and that's exactly what happened. So we entered the deal exactly at this point. So you see, exactly, here was the price at the moment that I ended the deal, and right now it's pushing down. So the bears are pushing the price and down direction, and on this small moment I get my profits. So everything's so easy with this strategy. And let's go further to this third currency pair, but now you see 78%, it's too low. Let's go to the first currency pair. The payout is much bigger, and that's exactly what I need. Yes, I'll continue working with this strategy currency pair. I like this volatile market, so let me go here with, I think, $100. Yes, I like this investment. By the way, guys, before I open one more deal here, I'd like to invite you to my Telegram channel. You know that many people have already joined my club on Telegram where I posted signals for the profitable trades. And guys, I'm already happy for all of you who made such a big profit according to my signals. Those who are not in my Telegram channel yet, you have an opportunity to join us and make money. Yes, I remind you about this and continue trading. So let's go here with $100 in my investment and be ready for trading down direction right now. Well, great result. I'm in profit again. That was pretty rational that the price would go in up direction for a moment, but why I intentionally opened here a trade in down direction? Because I knew that 1 minute was enough to get my profit from steal this down moment. So the bears were very strong from this moment. The price were pushed up to this level, and even there you see the wick of this candle is at this level. So even from up to till this level, the price was pushed by bears, and only then there is a fight between bears and bulls, and the price is trying to get higher, but it's still falling. So really good trade, and let's go further. Again, I repeat to you that I'm doing all these trades in life, and you can appreciate how easy or difficult it is for me. Of course, I'm so anxious and nervous while making trade by trade. That's why I need some time just to think about all my decisions and to just look at the chart and analyze the graphs. So let's go to my first currency pair. Let's check what's happening there. The payout is pretty nice, 93%, and I like this bullish movement of the price. What can I see here? There's a pattern. Maybe it will be formed in this right shoulder, and well, we'll finish this moment, but I can see the left shoulder here, the head, and maybe the remaining part of this pattern will form, but it's still remaining and at this level. So we can say that this is complete pattern, so just a bullish movement with this bunch of candles over the middle line of Bollinger Bands corridor. So what will I decide here? I think as my balance is pretty nice, I'll put here $190. Same. Please pay attention that I'm doing all my trades on 1 minute time expiration. My candlesticks are also 1 minute, so each candle is equals my time expiration. It's very important in the strategy, and I'm ready to make a deal. So I'll open a trade down. Let's go. Well, that's great. The price has fallen a little bit, so I conclude that here's the right shoulder is forming, and it's very similar to head and shoulder patterns. As you see, patterns are working in all my strategies amazingly, and each trader should understand how patterns work. So maybe this is a reversal pattern that will work out in this case, and the price would go lower after it, but we should follow the situation. I'll give some time to this chart, and instead let's make a couple of trades with the second currency pair. Maybe I'll add to my currency pair some more options, but now let's work with this option. Bollinger Band is narrowing here. That means that there's a total flat for the last, I think, 20 minutes. So I think I can trade here because the candle right now is at good position. The price is almost above this Bollinger Band corridor. And by the way, at least it's touching the upper line of Bollinger Band's corridor. So I'll increase my investment up to $300, but not more. I have more money on balance, but I'll trade just with this money. I am trading in live, and I have made, I think, already 4 trades, and I'm pretty tired already because making trade by trade is pretty tiring. So yeah, the price has already raised, and that's the time I'll open a trade up. Let's go. Well, amazing result. The price is still reasonable direction. Maybe sometime the price will reach the support level. So that's really nice, and I think I'll continue my trading here. I have already $125 on my live account. I am doing all trades in live, and right now I want to make one more trade, but let's go to my first currency pair. And again, the percentage of payout here is the biggest. So let's make a trade here. Let's see that the pattern is telling to us. It really looks like a head and shoulders pattern, but you need more time to get all the confirmation. But when I look at the MACD indicator, it has this intersection. The green line has cropped the red signal line and down direction, which means that the price is definitely falling, and that's exactly what we see. The price has fallen from this point, as you see, to this point already, and now it's the period of correction. Well, let's trade here with, I think, $600 again for 1 minute. 1 minute is enough for me to take the profit, so be ready for trade up right now. Well, this is great result. Again, I'm in profit, and this is my first $1,000 just on a small price movement, so that's pretty great. Maybe this pattern will not reverse the price, but anyway, maybe this flat line will continue. We don't know what will happen, we just can assume, but this head and shoulders pattern was confirmed. As you see, this level wasn't broken, so the price didn't broke this level, and still we need to wait a little bit. Instead, let's check the first currency pair. Let's see what's happening here. This range in period, we can make successful trade here, but firstly I want to test a level here with, I think, same $600, not more, because the price not at the upper band of Bollinger Band's corridor, and I assume that the price can fall from here. So let's check this and open a trade down. Let's go. Okay guys, okay, I lost this money. Yeah, the price is unpredictably growing in up direction. If we look at these patterns, the pattern is repeated at the price from this point is gone in down direction and down direction again, and from this point the price could go in down direction again, but unfortunately it's growing. Yes, I lost this money, and look at MACD indicator. We could pay attention to this indicator, but that was my mistake. I didn't pay attention to this green line that crossing the red line in up direction. We also see these green histograms, so the price is growing. And here it reached this resistance level from which the price is rebounding in down direction. So maybe here we can make another deal. Let me do this deal with 500 bucks, and maybe that's the moment from which the price would fall. So be ready for a trade down right now. Finally, guys, my money back in my balance, 1,000 bucks again in my balance, but that was too risky. So one more time, I'm doing all these trades in life, and when I lost my money, I'm showing this to you. When I win money, I'm showing this also. But of course, my aim today is to earn money, not to lose. That's why let's adhere to this strategy. So the price finally pushed back from this level. This is one of the resistance level. This is another one. I thought that the price would rebound in down direction from this level, but this happened over here, and finally, yeah, I get my money back, and let's continue earning money. So let's go to the first currency pair. Let's see what's happening with our not finished, not complete pattern. Yeah, it's total flat line. You see the reversal isn't happening right now, so it's just a flat. That head and shoulders didn't work out, and I think it's not the best time to continue trading here. And let's check the second currency instead. What's happening here? Maybe situation will be much more interesting, and there it is. This is representing really rashly growth of the price, and here is the bunch of candles again above this Bollinger Bands corridor. I would like to open a deal here with I think 800 bucks, so don't trade with your whole wallet, especially if you're anxious and a little bit if you're nervous. Don't do this. And right now I'm ready for one more trade, and let's open a trade up. Let's go. Well, guys, this is a draw. So I get my money back. So interesting trading session. You really see how it's happening in real life. Yeah, I have returns, I have drones, and also I can lose my money sometimes, but in general I am really strong desire to double my capital. Yeah, I wanna win, so that's why I'll try trade here again. So I'll open a deal in up direction. Let's go. And this time I was more lucky and just finally got my profit, 1,700 bucks here. And what about this chart? As you see, MACD was looking in down direction a little bit, but now it's looking straight, and here's not going to be an intersection. So you see there's flat line forming here, so very clear situation. The price is growing, and I want to check what's happening on the fourth currency pair. Let's go to Great Britain pound and Australian dollar. And there are lots of tall candles, and not so bad situation here. Did you remember there? I lost my money here, I won my money, and now the price is at this level and moving down a little bit. So let me try it here with 1,000 bucks. This is just a part of my capital, not my whole wallet, and be ready for trade in up direction. Let's go. Well, great result. You see, this is a really profitable strategy with which you can win. I'm showing to you all the cases where I lost, but even when I lost, I could get back my money with this strategy, because really these indicators like Bollinger Bands and MACD can be really trustful, and that's why I'm using this in combination with this strategy and support and resistance levels, because key levels are circular in trading. And if you don't know much about trading, if you're just a beginner, I recommend you to follow my Telegram channel. I'm sharing lots of strategies in my Telegram channel and in my VIP chat, by the way. I'm sharing ready-made signals with which you can trade online. So I handle online trading sessions with my subscribers that can earn money. So let's continue trading. Okay, let's get back to earning money, and maybe the second currency pair will be an interesting option. Let's check. Maybe the situation has changed, and yes, it's much interesting right now. So we see these two pretty similar situations. The price raised one time, but then it fell back. And again, the same situation is happening, and already I see this intersection at MACD indicator. What will happen next? Let's see. I'd like to trade with $2,000 in up direction. Let's go. Yeah, one more great result again, and already $4,000 with this perfect strategy. This strategy is really useful for beginners and pro traders as well, so I recommend you trying this strategy. As you see, all my trades were winning except two when I lost $600 and when I get a draw of 800. But that's not the end of this strategy session. I want to make one more trade, and let's see how much money I'll earn there. So the last currency pair, let's check what's happening there. I'm searching for the best situation for the most accurate quotations. Maybe this one, but maybe the first one is better. Let's check. Definitely the last one pair is much more interesting for me, for my trade. I hope it will be winning, and here I'd like to make a decision. I'd like to make a crazy trade with $4,000. And guys, but before I do this, I want to invite you to my Telegram group where I share free signals for you. I made live trading sessions with my subscribers where you opening trades with me at the same time, and you can make the same profit as me. So let me do this. I would open a trade with $4,000 in down direction. Let's go. Crazy, guys, you see $6,000 in my balance. Wow, what happened next here? Well guys, that was really crazy, but the last second all my trades were winning. I don't know why I decided to do this, but anyway, $11,000 are already on my balance, and I did this absolutely in front of your eyes. I traded online today, and as you asked me, so yes, I did it especially for you. I traded in live, and one more time about my Telegram channel. I invite you there, so trade with my signals, earn money, and always stay in profit. Bye bye.